Show me the new Xiaomi. Oh, I kill myself. This is the new Xiaomi, everybody. This is the 2024 7-inch Xiaomi. That is the Mi line, not the Moan line, not the Xiaomi main line, but the actual Mi line. Xiaomi is a little bit of a trouble case when it comes to distribution because certain companies actually ban these products, which is why they have Mi, which is why they have Moan. They have a bunch of different sublines so that they can sell this where they need to sell it, but it says Xiaomi in Chinese right there. This thing looks like, well, let's just say it, the Oasis 2, because, well, if they're not doing it, everyone else like ereader and bigme might as well. So let's just crack this open. This is a really strong box. This thing is crazy stock. A lot of people are always saying, why are you focusing on the packaging? Why don't you just review it? Well, this is an unboxing where we look at the box, and the review is when we review it. We don't know anything about this unit when we open it. I'm not knowledgeable enough to say anything about it until we test it. That's kind of how it goes with this. There is a piece of corrugated cardboard you can see by the indentations where the peaks and the valleys are on the inside, so very strong. And we are going with plastic, but that's fine. It's not going to shame anyone. Is there a case in here? Is that what's under there? I'm not sure. We have some documentation right here, and it looks like, uh-oh, there's a case image. Is there a case in here? This is pretty heavy. Let's see. No, there's no secret case. That's hollow. It's just more corrugated cardboard on little stands, but we do have a USB-C cable, so that's great. Let's look at the unit itself. This thing is... Oh, you know what? Haha! The case is on here. Is this built in? I know so little about this. Is it a magnet case? I'm just going to rip it off. It is! Oh my goodness, look. It's someone finally taking advantage of the pogo pins, unlike a lot of companies that actually don't have any peripheral accessories. This is a battery case. This is a 1900 milliamp battery case. I did not know that. This is, oh wow, that was a strong magnet snap. This is exciting, guys. Wow, this truly is the Oasis 1 style of coming with the battery case in the Oasis 2 format, it being a larger device. It's got the physical buttons. You know what? A lot of people say, oh, it's just copying the Kindle. Well, yeah. Kindle hasn't moved since 2017 at this point. The 2019 Oasis 3 is the same as the 2, meaning we're going on 7 years without another Oasis. It's time. That's okay that the Oasis is not coming back. It's time for other people to shine, very visibly and very obviously too. We're going to do a first time boot up just to see what this is all about, but before we do, looks exactly like an Oasis. It leaves an adequate amount of fingerprints, as you can see right there. We alcohol our tips before each shoot, but it's already happening. We have page up and down and nothing on this side. We have nothing on the bottom. We have a USB-C and a power button. It doesn't look like we have a speaker or an auxiliary speaker via the case either, although it is nice to mention that the leather goes around the back of the battery cover as well. I just spent about 2 minutes going through every setting, and it doesn't look, just wait, it doesn't look like they have language options, but we have distribution agreements with Xiaomi. We will contact them. We will get to the bottom of it. I'm very happy to see that this does have 65%, whatever that refers to, on board so that it doesn't just say, please connect your battery case, because that was a downfall of the Oasis, is that most of the battery was in the case, whereas this, I believe, to just be a peripheral. This is doing a lot of the best of all worlds. It's actually giving you the battery case, unlike the Kobo Sage, which you have to buy after the fact, and the Kobo Sage as it stood had such a poor battery. I love the build of this. I think the peripheral case is exquisite. I like how everything is so clean. It's all nicely tooled. Everything looks beautiful. I love it. Stay tuned for the full review. For now, this is everything that comes in the box with the new Xiaomi 2024 7-inch e-reader.